There are 3 methods for firm SMT post-welding processing. There are usually 3 methods for manual welding of 2N lead-less chip components. In SMT patch processing. 1. Solder spot welding. The use of special tools to weld. The use of flat chip iron head quickly SMT patch welding. After SMT solder firm 3 methods. 1. Solder spot welding. First, with tweezers clamp SMT components. Center paste on the corresponding pad width. Tweezers do not move. Second, use a fine brush to dip in the flux or use a welding pen to apply a small amount of flux on both ends of the pad. Third, use a chisel fan shovel iron head to add a little solder wire with a diameter less than or equal to 0.5 mm. When the solder wire touches the iron, it should leave quickly. Otherwise the patch processing solder will add too much. Then use the same method on the other end of the pad for about 2 seconds to remove the soldering iron. Note: during the welding process, the components should always be kept close to the welding pad. 2. Avoid one end of the components floating. 2. Use special tools to weld the horseshoe iron tip. First, stick the components. Do not move after alignment with tweezers. Second, with fine hair flux or welding resistance pen on both ends of the welding pad coated with a small amount of flux. Third, to the horseshoe iron tin. Fourth, heat both ends of the pad at the same time with the horseshoe iron head for about 2 seconds. Remove the iron. 3. Use the flat sheet iron head for quick welding. The first, stick element alignment with tweezers, do not move. Second, with a fine brush, flux or a welding pen on both ends of the pad with a small amount of flux. Third, to the flat piece of soldering iron head tin. Third, with a fan piece of soldering iron head in the side of the element at the same time to heat both ends of the pad for about 2 seconds. Leave the iron